here, this was a trade I was waiting for. Very good trade on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is a downtrend. I talked about that earlier. So this is how the trend looks like. Price has been making moves like this, and then price finally retested that key level. Price finally retested that key level. So this would have been my entries. Unfortunately, I missed out on the chance to get on anywhere around this high. But let's see if price comes back here one more time. I would be able to get an entry, but this would have been an entry. Price came there yesterday, and that would have been a good time to get in on this trade for a very good entry price. On the H1 here, this is what we have on the H1. The H1 here, we have what looks like this on the H1. So price did something like this on the H1. So right now we can see price created this whole high, and this whole high here has tested very good price, very good place. So that would have been a very good place to go short, to get short entry. So let's see one more time. If price comes makes it to that high, that would be a very good price to pick an entry. And TP is all the way down here. This has a good risk to reward. So I will just be a little more patient on this one. I would love to have a very good entry price to get in on this one.